How to change default messaging app on Android. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your default messaging app. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and find out your current default messaging app. So I'm currently using Google Messages for my messaging as a default. Now you can just go ahead and open up the message app. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that that is your default messaging app. You can try to do it from the messaging app settings, but what I'm going to do is do it from my phone settings. So all you have to do here is go back, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Once your settings is open, you need to go ahead and find apps. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Go to special access. Then you can find default apps over here. If you don't see it, you can just go back and you can just search for default apps on your settings. Then tap on choose default apps right here on top. Then go over to SMS app. I'm currently using Google Messages. Now if you want to change it to the original Samsung Messages, tap on that and you'll be good to go. That's basically it guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.